Hi guys! This is The Ghoul and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So it's really been a long time since I uploaded a reaction video, and this time this is one of the special video that I will be going to make since this is the release of Lisa Alter Ego, one of her song titled Dream. So we have here the short film MB, and I really excited. Without further ado guys, let's watch the video, okay? Oh, so we have a funeral scene here, and then Kentaro. Oh my god. Sino patay? Oh my god, nagluluksa si Lisa dito guys. Si Kentaro ba yun? Oh my god. Wait lang, medyo magulo, wait lang. I guess si lalaki it's dead na, tapos parang parang memories na lang yung nagpi-play dito. Okay, I get it. Wapo na Kentaro guys, and Lisa, oh my god, Lisa. May kita mo talaga sa mata yan na nag-aano siya, nagluluksa siya. Wapo na Kentaro, no? Okay. In fairness ni Lisa, ang galing yung umacting ah. I mean, more project pa, more on movies pa sana in the future. Okay, binigay niya yung susi. Don't tell me siya magdadrive. Oh my god! Okay, ito nga yung mga memories nila before. Okay. Ang cute ni Lisa, ang cute nilang couple. Oh my god. Okay, in the middle of the forest. Okay. Oh, holy shit! Oh my god! Kikilabutan ako, shit! Okay, late. Okay? Nag-fade. Wait lang. Okay, kung ano daw gusto ni sa next life. Okay.
나는 나무가 되고 싶어.
나무?
Okay.
素敵だね。じゃあ僕はその木の前にある、湖になる。
Oh my god, no, Lisa, no!
素敵だと思ったんだもん。
Reset! Ang ina mo, Lisa!
綺麗じゃん。
Napaka-effective ng actors talaga. Pag umiiyak siya talaga, naiiyak talaga ako. Oh, so cremated na yung lalaki. So, yun pala yung usapan nila na kung gusto daw ni lalaki, kung ano daw may gusto niya in next life. Tapos tinanong niya si Lisa, sabi puno. Tapos sabi naman ng lalaki, lake daw, para daw yung maganda lang yung reflected nung lake, nung puno sa lake. So dyan niya hinagis or tinapon yung cremated na katawan ni Kentaro. My God, shit. What the fuck? Alright guys, grabe yung plot twist, grabe yung cinematography. Ang galing nung gumawa nito kasi it's all guys related dun sa mga sa scenarios na mga nangyari. Talagang sobrang detailed niya, no? May intindihan mo talaga every scene kung saan nagagaling, kung bakit ganun na nangyari. May intindihan mo talaga yung eksena niya. So, grabe guys. Kudos. Cloud team, Lisa. I'm sure Lisa is siya ng idea kung paano magiging run nung music video or yung film video na to. Tapos, good job din kay Kentaro. Ngayon ko lang siya nakikilala. Kaya pala, nagkakaroon parang may TikTok sila ni Lisa. Siguro this year lang yon na parang nagulat yung karamihan. So, sino yan? Parang ganon. Parang di nila alam si Kentaro. Pero, yun pala, kasi may project pala silang ginagawa. Kaya medyo connected or close sila. My God! This is amazing. Masterpiece music film or short film video ni Lisa na Dream. So, thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to stream the Dream on Spotify or any music platform. And of course, let's support Lisa Alter Ego album, and also let's support Blackpink album. Of course, magkakaroon ang Blackpink ng concert dito sa Pilipinas on November 22 and 23. So I will be there on November 23, second day. So see you Blings. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the like button para updated ka sa mga videos na i-upload ko in the future. Bye!